Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best outside cabinet is probably one of the most versatile and essential additions to any outdoor living space, offering a practical solution for storing everything from gardening tools and cushions to pool accessories and children's toys, all while protecting them from the elements and keeping your patio or deck clutter-free and organized, making it a truly indispensable item for maximizing the enjoyment and functionality of your backyard. Number 5. Keter City 30-gallon Resin Outdoor Storage Box. Introducing the Keter City 30-gallon storage box. It's the perfect blend of style and functionality for your outdoor space. With a generous 30-gallon capacity, it's ideal for storing your pool and garden accessories. Keep your essentials neatly tucked away. Crafted from all-weather resistant resin, it boasts an appealing wood-look texture. This material ensures it can withstand the elements. Unlike real wood, its durable polypropylene construction prevents rusting, peeling, and denting. Enjoy long-lasting quality without the maintenance. Assembly is a breeze with this unit. It's designed for simple and quick setup, requiring no extra tools. This versatile piece also doubles as a patio furniture side table. It's a practical addition to any garden or poolside area. What we like? This option offers a compact and stylish solution for smaller outdoor spaces. Its weather-resistant resin construction with a wood-like texture ensures durability without the maintenance of real wood. If you're looking for a charming side table that also provides discreet storage for pool or garden accessories, this is a great choice. What people say. The cabinet is made of durable, weather-resistant material that holds up well outdoors. It has adjustable shelves, which is great for customizing the storage space. The door seals tightly, keeping the contents protected from dust and moisture. Number 4. Sterilite 4-Shelf Heavy-Duty Storage Cabinet. Introducing a heavy-duty storage cabinet designed for maximum organization. Its robust construction ensures it can handle your toughest storage needs. With generous interior dimensions, this unit offers ample space for all your items. It's perfect for organizing garages, basements, attics, and more. This storage solution is built with a rugged design that resists dents, chips, and rust. Its durable construction guarantees long-lasting use in any environment. Forget complicated instructions and tools. This cabinet assembles quickly and easily in just minutes, saving you time and effort. It accommodates a standard padlock for added security. Plus, it's proudly made in the USA and is BPA and phthalate-free for your peace of mind. Transform any room into an organized haven with this practical storage unit. Keep your belongings tidy and accessible with ease. What we like? This tall, heavy-duty cabinet is perfect for maximizing vertical storage in tight spaces like garages or basements. Its durable, rust-resistant design and adjustable shelves allow you to customize the storage for various items. If you need a robust and versatile storage solution for organizing tools, bins, or supplies and require the option to secure your items, this cabinet is ideal. What people say. The shelving is adjustable and they hold a decent amount of weight. They are easily wiped clean with a rag. The plastic material is extremely strong and I had no issues with alignment. They are not heavy so are easily moved around. The functionality is outstanding as they provide storage for a variety of items such as linen, cans of paint and related supplies, broom, mop, laundry supplies, electric standing fans and heaters, records, albums, DVDs, cassette tapes, etc. The storage possibilities are endless. The lockable doors are the standout feature. Being able to secure cleaning supplies, tools, craft materials, or anything else you want protected from kids or pets adds real value. The lock mechanism is simple but effective. It does not feel flimsy or like something that will break after a few uses. It provides genuine peace of mind. The 4 adjustable shelves give you flexibility to configure the interior for whatever you need to store. Tall bottles on bottom, smaller items up top, or rearrange it completely when your needs change. The shelves feel sturdy and hold a surprising amount of weight without sagging or bending. I have mine loaded with paint cans, cleaning products, and tools with no issues. Number 3. Keter Unity 40 gallons Grill Prep Table and Serving Cart. Meet your new favorite outdoor companion. It's designed to be a versatile prep table, serving cart, or even an outdoor bar, making your gatherings effortless. Keep everything organized and within reach with its spacious 40-gallon interior. Perfect for storing napkins, plates, drinks, and all your party essentials. This cart is designed for ultimate convenience. It features sidebars, hooks, a spice rack, and a bottle opener, ensuring all your grilling tools are easily accessible. Crafted from durable, weather-resistant resin, it's built to withstand the elements. You won't have to worry about rusting, peeling, or denting. For over 75 years, Keter has been creating innovative home solutions. This product is designed to make your everyday life better and more enjoyable. What we like. This is the ultimate outdoor entertaining and prep station, combining generous storage with a functional stainless steel workspace. It's designed for convenience with built-in accessories and mobility thanks to its wheels. If you love to grill, entertain outdoors, or need a portable bar and serving station, this cart will elevate your backyard gatherings. What people say. The cabinet is sturdy and well made, and it looks good out on my balcony. Everything fit together snugly, and the stainless steel top feels solid. The stainless steel top looks nice and is fantastic for extra prep when grilling. Love having the paper towel roll mounted on this for easy cleanup. I'm able to hang grilling utensils from the hooks that were included with the cart. Now my tongs and grill brush have a permanent home. Number 2. SONGMICS Rustic Brown and Black Metal Storage Cabinet ULSC 102B01. Introducing the SONGMICS Storage Cabinet, a versatile piece that blends classic design with modern functionality. Its elegant look fits seamlessly into any room of your home. Use it as a stylish sideboard in your kitchen, a functional TV cabinet in your living room, or a practical storage solution in your office. It adapts to your needs. The doors feature multipurpose holes for excellent ventilation and the option to attach hooks for convenience. Inside, an adjustable shelf accommodates items of various sizes, offering flexible storage. Crafted from durable steel with a robust frame, this cabinet is designed for longevity. The smooth surface makes it easy to maintain, ensuring it looks great for years to come. Assembly is a breeze with clear instructions and labeled parts. Plus, the included anti-tip kit ensures it remains stable and secure in your home. What we like. This cabinet offers a blend of style and functionality, designed to complement your indoor or outdoor living spaces. Its durable steel construction and adjustable shelf provide flexible storage for a variety of items, while the ventilated doors ensure air circulation. If you're seeking an aesthetically pleasing and practical storage solution that can double as a sideboard or TV cabinet, this is a fantastic option. What people say. Super spacious. Good and durable and not too heavy. Color options are there. Door alignment is good. This piece of furniture is well made, so easy to assemble, and the finished product is so attractive. It allows us to store many pairs of shoes. We added storage cubes to the bottom for sandals and smaller tennis shoes. The doors open wide for easy access as well. This SONGMICS metal storage cabinet exceeded my expectations. Very sturdy and well built, easy to assemble, and the two-door design keeps everything organized. Perfect for home or office use. Looks modern and saves a lot of space. Number 1. SISESOL 71 2-door metal storage cabinet. Discover ample storage with our durable metal cabinet, featuring a robust frame and impressive load-bearing capacity. It's designed to hold all your essentials with ease. Customize your storage space with 5 adjustable shelves. Easily change shelf heights to accommodate items of various sizes, or remove shelves for taller storage needs. Crafted from strong, cold-rolled steel, this cabinet is built for durability. Its reinforced frame and powder-coated finish offer water, scratch, and rust resistance for long-lasting use. Keep your belongings safe with the lockable doors and a reliable 3-point locking system. This versatile cabinet is perfect for your home, office, garage, or workshop. Set up your new storage solution in about 30 minutes with our clear, step-by-step instructions and numbered parts. Enjoy convenient storage without the hassle. With its generous dimensions of 71 x 31.5 x 15.8, this cabinet offers substantial storage. It's the ideal addition to any environment requiring organized and secure storage. What we like. This large, lockable metal cabinet provides robust security and ample storage for your most valuable items or tools. Constructed from durable cold-rolled steel with adjustable shelves, it offers flexible organization for garages, workshops, or offices. If you prioritize security and need a heavy-duty, spacious storage solution for sensitive equipment or inventory, this cabinet is the perfect fit. What people say. The cabinet is made of durable, weather-resistant material that holds up well against the elements. It offers ample storage space with adjustable shelves, making it easy to organize various items. The design is sleek and modern, fitting seamlessly into outdoor living spaces. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.